All right, we're plumbing and renovating a 1909 home here. And in so doing, we have some challenges and some other things that people need to be aware of, especially when they're remodeling or doing work on a home of this age or this era. Anyway, one of the big things is the walls in the floor. You get a lot of dry rot. You get, the walls don't have studs in them. The floor didn't have any structural, anything under the wall. So we're gonna obviously do this work on the structural, but the walls you're gonna have to fur out and use, do soffits to be able to apply your ABS or PVC or any of your plumbing, electrical. The electrical, we just had about a 6-gauge wire back in the day, so that's all they had there. Probably all they needed, right? Anyway, days of Tesla. So we plumbed the upstairs, brought that down with 3-inch ABS. Then we tied it in with our trunk line here, which is an old 4-inch iron, cast iron. Then it went to 3-inch copper. So you run a lot of gaskets. Just be aware you're going to need a lot of gaskets. Also our venting. We have a 1.5 transition off of our copper up there. So I'm running the new lines, 2-inch for a shower, which is by code, 1.5-inch for our tub. You can see I did PVC over there, or the P-trap over there, and here I'm just building the P-trap and then incorporating those into that vent back there. So I'm gonna put a T on that. And then our toilet here, I'm gonna get that vented. Already vented the upstairs. And then I have a vanity here to vent, which will come right in off the line. So I have 2 vents being connected to that copper at the end. And in so doing, I have a lot of reducers and a lot of gaskets. So just know when you're doing work on something like this, on a home of this caliber, you're gonna have a lot of gaskets. You don't have room in the walls. So you're going to be, running conduit like I did here. They just literally ran along the floor, but running conduit for your electrical. And then of course your plumbing, lots of gaskets. And since you don't have room in the walls, you're going to be doing lots of soffits. So just some insights when remodeling an aged home of this caliber.